Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can optimize a performance when you're running game in window mode. So if you have a low-end or old PC and want to try modern games, usually you take on window mode. You use a window mode when you play that games. So in order to optimize your system, you can click on Windows icon start icon and click on settings. Here you can try to click on system and try to search display. Now again scroll down and choose related settings graphic. Here you can click on change default graphic settings. There are two options. The first one, variable refresh rate. Get higher frame rate and reduce screen tearing in games that don't support variable refresh rate by default. You can turn this on. Next, you can turn this on optimization for windowed games. Reduce latency and use advanced features in compatible games. By using flip presentation model, you will need to restart your game for change to take effect. Here you can turn this on. You can turn both of option here. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.